Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Thursday, December 21st, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see they're trading higher by 6.5 points at the moment to 26.88 per contract. So all in all, the futures are trading higher. Looks like we are going to get the tax reform bill finally into law sometime this week or next week. So again, we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, the markets are higher ahead of the opening bell. Now today, surprisingly, we do have a lot of stocks in the news. So let's get started here. First one we're going to take a look at today is going to be KMX, which is CarMax. Stock right now is trading at 68.01. They reported earnings, closed at 68.47. So you got a little bit of a downtick there. Again, there's not a whole lot that I'm seeing right now, but if this stock did sell off, watch the $61.65 level. I do think that's going to be a very, very good support level if we retrace down there. I'm not sure if it gets there. Looks like the pre-market lows were around the 65.50 level, but again, 61.65 if we get there, that will be a play for KMX. Let's take a look at Bed Bath Beyond. BBBY is the ticker symbol here, 3 B's and a Y. Right now the stock is trading at 23.20, closed at 24.57. So this had a big spike after the earnings, has come back down to earth. Looks like the company did have some weak guidance going forward, and that's all it takes to hurt your stock these days. So again, Bed Bath & Beyond trading at 23.20. There is nothing I would do with it. If the stock got down to around $19.65, $19.65 that is, I would look to play it there on the long side. Let's take a look at CAG, and what you're going to see here is stock right now is trading at $39, closed at $38.14, so you got a little bit of an uptick. This did get a big surge here first above $40, but it has pulled back. So we'll see how this plays out today. I might have some levels for this, but right off the bat, I have to think around this $39 area, maybe up to 40 bucks. There's a lot of resistance there. So we'll keep it on the radar. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if it does give us some kind of a pattern. Let's take a look at EIX. And this is one I'm going to have a gap play for this morning. So this is getting sold off today in sympathy, I guess, with PCG, which cut their dividend. There's another utility in California that cut their dividend. This stock is getting hammered. I'm going to have levels for this one. So PCG and IEX, I have levels for, posted up in the intraday stock chat room this morning. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go to ACN, Accenture. Stock right now is trading at 157.30. This closed at 150.175. So this is a good pop here. This probably wants to get to that 159, 160 level. So again, might have a little bit more upside here, but it is overbought. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this time. Let's take a look here at Finish Line. FINL is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $12.99, closed at $11.69. So good little pop higher for Finish Line. I should have some gap resistance levels for this one posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Paychex, PAYX. I believe they had earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at 67.40, closed at 69.20. So you got a little haircut here, around 64.75, maybe 64.70. That's where there should be very good intraday support for Paychex. Yesterday, if you did watch the morning video, I did give out a level on Red Hat, and that played out pretty nicely for us. So again, keep watching for these levels. I'll have more levels in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold trading down $1 today. Right now, gold is trading at $1,268.60 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you're going to see that's trading at 120.12. So gold is down a touch here, not all that much. Crude oil down as well this morning, down 31 cents to $57.78 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good way to track crude oil movement, you'll see that's trading at $11.55. Down from $11.61 at the close yesterday. So we have gold and oil trickling down a little bit. Futures are higher this morning, and again, we'll see what this market gives us. I'm going to have some nice gap plays posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. If you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going, and we're going to start 2018 off the same way. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.